Hello friend, welcome to Digital Study, your true oil user. A very good morning to all of you. So today we'll discuss the current affairs of 22nd May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notification to get notification of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, let's start. The first question of today. Sundarlal Bahuguna, who has recently passed away, is related to which field? So, Sundarlal Bahuguna, who has recently passed away, is related to famous Chipko movement. You know about Chipko movement, I guess. Some information about Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna was born in Tehri, Uttarakhand, was a noted environmentalist and leader of the Chipko movement, as I said. Chipko movement was started in 1974 to stop the deforestation in Chameli district of Uttarakhand. He was also an activist in anti-Tehri Dam movement in 1980 and struggled for preserving forest in Himalaya. He got Padma Vibhushan in 1981 and refused in 2019 for environment conservation. So friend, second question of today. Who has become second richest man in Asia according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? Do you know the right answer? The right answer of this question is Gautam Adani. So recently Gautam Adani, the owner of the Adani Group, has become the second richest man in Asia. And number one richest man in Asia, Mukesh Ambani. We all know that. Some information about Gautam Adani. Gautam Adani, the chairman of Adani Group, was overtaken China's Zhong Sansam to become the second richest man in Asia. Very, very important. The richest person in Asia is Reliance Industries Limited chairman, the Mukesh Ambani. So we will go to the third question. Recently, Reserve Bank of India approved to transfer how many rupees to central government? So recently, Reserve Bank of India has approved to 99,122 crore rupees. Option B is the right answer. The decision of approving the transfer was taken at 589th meeting of RBI Central Board of Directors. And some additional information about RBI. The chairman of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. It is founded in 1935 and the headquarters of RBI is Mumbai, Maharashtra. So fourth question of today. What is the name of world's largest iceberg which has broken off in Antarctica recently? So recently, the world's largest iceberg has broken in Antarctica. The name of the iceberg is A76. The European Space Agency has informed that the iceberg A76 was carved from the western side of the Ronny ice shelf and is now floating in the Weddell Sea. The broken iceberg is measured around 170 km long and 25 km wide. So fifth question. Which state has topped Central Smart City Ranking Index 2021? So recently Jharkhand has topped in Central Smart City Ranking Index 2021. This ranking is presented by the Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Very, very important. Government of India. The CM of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren and the Governor of Jharkhand is Draupadi Murmu. These are also important. Sixth question of today. Which state has topped in the ranking of health and wellness centers? The health department. So health department surveys a ranking that is health and wellness center. So recently Karnataka has topped under this ranking. This is conducted under Ayushman Bharat mission. So this survey is conducted under Ayushman Bharat mission. The CM of Karnataka is V.S. Yadurappa and the Governor of Karnataka is Vajubhai Vala. We all know that. So we'll go to the 7th question of today. The World Meteorology Day is observed every year on which date? So every year World Meteorology Day is observed in 20th May. It is jointly observed by International Bureau of Weights and Measures and International Organization of Legal Meteorology. These two organizations jointly observe this. The theme for this year is measurement for health. Very important. So we will go to the 8th and last question of today. Recently, which country has launched sea observation satellite Hyang 2D? So Hyang 2D is a satellite which is launched by China, and it is launched to observe the sea. So this has been launched to monitor the dynamic marine environment of sea. So now we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. Which country will host 9th Women Rugby World Cup? The right answer of this question is New Zealand. News Showcase is launched in India by which company? So recently Google launched News Showcase in India. And third question was, recently which government has launched Ayush Ghar-Dwar Yojana? So Ayush Ghar-Dwar Yojana is launched by Himachal Pradesh government. So 3 questions of today. India's first agriculture export facility center is opened in which city? Second question, who has recently elected as the president of Central Tibetan Administration? And third question, recently who has won 10th Italian Open? So you will give the answer of this question through comments. So let's see who comes first. So friend, that's all for today. Please like this video and share this. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Good morning and goodbye. See you.